Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another new quick tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to make a game pass in Roblox. So steps are very simple. Watch it carefully. Let's dive in. First of all, open your Roblox app or go to the browser and log in Roblox. So once you go to Roblox, wait for a moment, it's loading, and once you go to the Roblox, you can see on the bottom right corner there is an option called more, three dot. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, you come to this section where you can see create. Tap on create, and once you tap on create, you come to this interface where you can see three dash on the left side of top corner. So tap on that. Once you tap on that, uh, it will pop up with this interface where you can see creations. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, it will pop up with this section where you can see a picture. Tap on that, and once you tap on that, you come to this section where you can see uh, this options, and simply tap on the dashboard, three dash line, and you can see on the section called monetization, you can see a passes. Tap on that, and once you tap on that, it will pop up with this loading, guys. Wait for a moment. Once you tap on passage, simply tap on create a passage. So once you tap on create a passage, it will come up with this section where you can simply uh, upload a picture that you want to upload. So tap on change and upload any picture. So I'm gonna upload this picture. So once you upload a picture, give the name of that picture, give a description, any description, and simply tap on create pass. So I have just create a pass, and so let me create you for another time. Go to change and simply tap on the picture, go to description, tap brand, and tap on create pass. So this is how you can create a pass on Roblox. uh, so these are the simple steps that you can follow in order to create a game pass in Roblox. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and give us a thumbs up.